Now let us see example 3.7. Now see the question. Solve x by 2 minus 1 is equal to y by 6 plus 1 is equal to z by 7 plus 2. So here one combined equation they have given. In between equal to you have. So one combined equation they have given. After another one equation, that is y by 3 plus z by 2 is equal to 13. Okay. So we know that if you want to find out the x, y and the z value, we needed 3 equations. So this one you can consider as a one equation. After 2 more equations we needed. So that 2 equation we can consider from this combined equation. So combined equation means in between equal to you have. So how we can consider this and this you can take. Okay. So x by 2 minus 1 is equal to y by 6 plus 1. So this you can consider. Then you will get to one equation. After this and this you can consider. Okay. So y by 6 plus 1 is equal to z by 7 plus 2. So this and this if you consider, another one equation we will get. Or this and this you can consider. X by 2 minus 1 is equal to z by 7 plus 2. So anyway you can take. But we needed 2 equations. Already here one more equation you have. Okay. So from this combined equation we needed 2 equations we needed. So anyway you can consider first and second, or second and third, or first and third. Anyway you can consider. Okay. So now see the solution. Here consider first and 2 you can consider. Okay. So the variable x and y. So this 2 you can consider. Not only this 2, any 2 you can take. So but we needed 2 equations. Okay. So I have taken this two things. So now see, consider x by 2 minus 1 is equal to y by 6 plus 1. So here this fraction part and this also fraction part. So the both one keep it one side. So this already x by 2 in the left hand side only. So x by 2. The right hand side plus y by 6 you have. So if you transpose to the left hand side, it will become minus y by 6. So minus y by 6 is equal to, already the right hand side plus 1 you have. So the left hand side minus 1, if you transpose to on the right hand side, it will become plus 1. So now here the in between subtraction, the fraction part in between subtraction you have. So you know that if the denominator same only, you can subtract the numerator. But here the denominator not same. So how we can make the denominator same? So you need to find out the LCM for these two numbers. So 2 and 6, if you find out the LCM is 6 only. So after see the first fraction part, here 2 you have. Okay. So now LCM is 6 only. So the numerator and the denominator, what you have to multiply and divide? So 3 you have to multiply, because the denominator we needed the 6. Okay. So LCM is 6 only. So 2 3s are 6. After 3 into x, 3x will come. Minus here y by 6 you have. So the denominator 6. Already the LCM is 6 only. Here also the denominator 6 only you have. So multiply numerator and the denominator, multiply and divide by 1 by 1 and 1. Okay. So now see, y into 1 y only. So 6 into 1 6 only. So 6 common you can take. After subtract the numerator, 3 into x 3x minus 1 into y y only. So equal to 1 plus 1 2. So now see, 3x minus y is equal to, so already the right hand side 2 you have. So the division part 6, if you bring it to the right hand side, it will become the multiplication. So 6 2s are, what is it, 12. So now we have got it for one equation, we have got it. Another one we can another one equation also we needed from this combined equation. Okay. So now see which two you can choose it. Easily you can solve this equation. If you choose this and this means easily you can solve, because here also the variable y and z only you have. So this we will consider as a equation number 3. Okay. So this already from this two we have got it one equation. Another one equation we needed, that you can choose it from second and third, because here also variable y and z. Here also if you choose y and z mean easily you can solve. So now see, this 2 you can take. Okay. So now the consider y by 6 plus 1 is equal to z by 7 plus 2. So same thing you can do it. Y by 6, this plus part if you bring it to the left hand side, it will become minus. So y by 6 minus z by 7 is equal to, the right hand side already you have 2. So the plus 1 if you transpose to the right hand side, it will become minus 1. So again the in between subtraction symbol, the denominators are not same. So what you have to do, we need to find out the LCM. Okay. So 6 and 7, the LCM is 42. After cross multiply you can do it. 7 into y, 7y minus 6 into z, 6z is equal to 2 minus 1, what is it, 1. So 7y minus 6z is equal to 42. You can bring it to the right hand side. So the division part, it will become multiplication. So 42 into 1, that is 42. Now we have got the equation number 2. So already I said from this combined equation, 2 equation we needed. So afterwards this you can consider as another one equation. Okay. So now see, from this given, so you can take y by 3 plus z by 2 is equal to 13. So now here also in between addition, the denominators are not same. If the denominator is same only, you can add the numerator. So here also we need to find out the LCM. So 3 2s are, what is it, 6. After cross multiply, 2 into y, 2y plus 3 into z, 3z is equal to 13. So here also 2y plus 3z, 6 bring it to the right hand side, it will become 13 into 6 because the denominator part division. Okay, so if you bring it to the right hand side, it will become multiplication. So 13 into 6, that is 78. So that you can consider as equation number 3. All the 3 equations together you can write. Okay, so now 3x minus y is equal to 12. That is the first equation. The next equation, 7y minus 6z is equal to 42. That is second equation. Third equation, that is 2y plus 3z is equal to 78. That is the third equation. Now we needed x, y and the z values. So which is easy to choose now. See the same variable here also y, here also is y and z, here also y and z. So easily you can solve any one if the coefficient of any variable, make it same means you can eliminate any one variable. After you will get another one variable answer we will get. Okay, so now see here which is easy to make the coefficient same. So z variable, it is easy to make the same. So here see the coefficient of z, the variable is z, that is 6. Okay, so the second, this equation, the coefficient of z variable, that is 3. So which number, if you multiply with the second equation, you can make it that variable of the z variable coefficient, you can make it same. So multiply with the 2 only. So 3 2s are only 6, it will come. So not only this one part, so fully you need to multiply with the 2, otherwise the values will change. Okay, so you have to multiply this equation fully, you have to multiply with the 2. So then the coefficient of z variable, you can make it same. Okay, so now see, so the second equation, that is no change, you have to write 7y minus 6z is equal to 42. Here we are going to eliminate the z variable only. So if you want to eliminate this z variable, mean if the coefficient of that z variable, both the equation, the coefficient of z variable, if it is same only, you can eliminate. Okay, so here 6 you have, here also you want to make it as 6 means you have to multiply with the 2. So that 2 full equation you have to multiply with the 2. So first, second equation you have to write, and the third equation you have to multiply with the 2. Okay, so then what it will come, so you have to write the second equation, that is 7y minus 6z is equal to 42. After the third equation, you have to multiply with the 2. So then only the coefficient of z variable, it will become same. Okay, so that's why we are multiplying with the 2. So 2 2s are 4y plus after 3 2s are 6z is equal to 78 into 2. So that is 156. Now see, here you want to add it or subtract. So already the different sign only you have. So if you add it only, you can eliminate this one. So no need to subtract, you have to add it. So now 7y plus 4y, that is 11y. So this you can cancel it, plus z 6z and the minus 6z, it will be cancelled, is equal to, here also if you add it, mean that is 198. Then y is equal to this multiplication number, if you bring it to the right hand side, it will become division. So after the 11 table, if you give, means 11 1 is 11, the remaining 8 11s are 88. So now we have got it, the y variable, y is equal to 18. So y is equal to 18, one variable value we have got it. So this where you have to substitute, means you can get it the another one variable. So here any one equation you can substitute. Okay, so can you substitute in the third equation? So that if you substitute, because y variable we know that, so y value if you substitute, mean z variable you can find out. Okay, so now see, substitute y is equal to 18 in third equation. So third equation implies 2y plus 3z is equal to 78. Y value you can substitute, that is 2 into y value, that is 18 plus 3z is equal to 78. 2 8s are, what is it, 36 plus 3z is equal to 78. Then 3z is equal to 78. This plus 36, if you transpose to the right hand side, that is minus 36. Then 3z is equal to, if you subtract, we will get 42. Then z is equal to this 3, that multiplication, if you transpose to on the right hand side, it will become division. So after cancel it, 3 1 is 3, after remaining 1, so 4 3s are 12. So now z is equal to 14. So now we know that y variable, we know that z variable. Then which variable we need to find out? X variable. So x variable in which equation you have? So this equation only x variable you have. So this equation only we need to apply. Okay, so then y value, this equation if you are choosing, means here only x variable you have. So y value we know that. So can you apply here the y value? Then you will get the x value, we can get it. So consider the first equation. So equation 1 implies, that is 3x minus y is equal to 12. So 3x minus y you can substitute, that is 18 is equal to 12. So 3x is equal to 12. So minus 18, if you bring it to the right hand side, it will become plus 18. So 3x is equal to 12 plus 18, that is 30. So x is equal to 30 divided by 3. If you cancel it, that is 10. Okay, so now the values are, so x is equal to 10, y is equal to 18, and z is equal to 14. So that is the answer. Thank you.